What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I tell people how to make money online, and today I'm showing you the account of one of my students that I've shown how to make money on Clickbank. Yes, you can see this is the excellent result. Yeah, so to be a successful affiliate marketer, there are things you need to consider and there are things you need to know and steps you need to take. Yes, and that's why I come in, because I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and I want to introduce a software to you, a software that has been earning me big sales and real good amount of money over the years now, and it is up for sale. And my students are also enjoying it, because this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine. As you can see on the screen, these are excellent results on affiliate marketing. And you all know that affiliate marketing is just marketing or selling product for a particular company and getting commission for each product to sell. And for you to have a high earning, you need to sell more, or yes, you need to sell more. And that is why I come in, because I have a software which I've developed, a affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which will gather organic leads for you from search engines and digital platforms and promote your link and platform, your affiliate platform, to these leads for you to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. And my software is up for sale now. It's up for sale now. So to get my software and video course and start earning really good money like the result you can see on the screen, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge and earning really good money on affiliate marketing. Yes, because it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. Because with my software you can earn millions of dollars while you sleep. Yes, I'm a living testimony of that, and I have many students that can testify to that too. Yeah, so looking at affiliate marketing, it has gone beyond the normal sharing of link, all the techniques we all know before. Yeah, which are like the paid traffic system, which include the Facebook ad, YouTube ad, solo ad, etc. But now you have to, with my software, you can earn millions of dollars, like even within a short time. Yes, if you are doing what is in my video course. Yes, my video course entails some other details too, some details and some codes and secrets for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, because you don't have to just follow the normal way by which people do things. There are techniques which I've drafted inside my video course, which when you buy my software and video course, you are going to get it. And I will guide you also if you need my assistance. My students know that I'm always accessible. I guide my students time to time. My joy is that my students are successful. So to get my software and video course today, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge and making big good money on affiliate marketing. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.